In order to add contacts to Kajabi, you'll come over to Contacts, then All Contacts, and you'll be at this area. There might be a button that says Add Your First Contact whenever there's no one in there quite yet. I've got a little test person in here, which is me, and you'll just scroll over to Add Contacts. And if you have your contacts somewhere else, you'll import it as a CSV file. And to show an example of how to do that, I'm going to use Add Single Contact. You can also do this manually by adding one single contact at a time, but for 5 or more emails, just use Import CSV. So we'll add single contact, and I'm just going to add my name in here. And then next, you're going to do the same thing when you upload the CSV file. You're going to have these same options, which is why I'm showing you this example. So subscribe to marketing emails. That's the first thing you want to check. You want to be sure and check that. If you don't check it, then these people that you're adding will not be receiving any of your emails. So you want to add that. Optionally, you can add a tag, and you can either select a tag or you can start typing and it'll create a new tag for you. And then you can also, if you plan on giving everyone that you're adding one of your offers, you can grant offer and choose it this way. And if you don't have an offer to give them, or you don't want to give them an offer, then just leave that blank. And then you'll just do this one option down here, click save, and they'll be in there.